Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgets Daily. In this video, we will see all specifications, price, and launch date about Motorola Edge 60 Ultra. So don't skip the video and watch till last. The Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is designed for tech enthusiasts who crave premium performance and cutting-edge features. It's packed with an impressive array of specs, starting with its vibrant display, a large 6.8-inch OLED screen with robust protection, perfect for immersive viewing. Rumors suggest it might actually feature a 6.2-inch display with an ultra-responsive 165Hz refresh rate and a 480Hz touch sampling rate, which makes gaming and scrolling feel incredibly smooth. Powering this device is the highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which ensures top-notch performance across the board, whether you're multitasking or gaming. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM and a whopping 512 GB of internal storage, the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra handles everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. This kind of storage and RAM combo ensures your apps run faster and allows you to store all your media files, apps, and games with ease. Photography is another area where the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra shines. It's rumored to sport a high-resolution 200MP main camera, backed by two additional 50MP lenses, giving you an incredibly versatile setup with optical image stabilization noise for blur-free shots. For selfie enthusiasts, the 60MP front camera is expected to deliver crisp and clear photos, making it one of the best in its category. Battery life and charging speeds are equally impressive. With a 4,600 mAh battery, the phone offers long-lasting power for a full day of use, and it supports a blazing fast 160W charging speed, ensuring you're back to full battery in no time. The device will likely come with Android 15 out of the box, offering the latest features and a smooth user experience. Finally, the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra will feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for convenient and secure unlocking. For more details on pricing and launch dates, check out the description box. And if you're excited about the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Catch you in the next video.